Okay, we got Byron Brainard here from Pocatello. He's about to make his first solo flight in the R-22. He's got his friend here to watch him. A couple freeloaders to watch too. So, how you feeling about your solo flight?
I'm a little bit nervous, but more excited than nervous.
Hear that from the source. He's a little bit nervous, but more excited. He's going to do good. We're going to go out and film him take off. And it's going to go good. Alright, tune in next week. This is Byron Brainard from Pocatello. He's about to make out his first venture in a solo flight. So, how you feeling right now?
I'm a little bit nervous, but pretty excited as well.
Pretty excited. He's going to be taking out the Valiant 225 Whiskey Mike. He's been pre-flighting it. He's ready. Getting pumped.
I'm excited.
Alright, here he goes. First solo flight. You heard it. He's ready, excited. He's going to do good. Windy when you stand right next to it. He is in the air. In the air. Byron Brainard is soloing the helicopter at this moment. Now he's setting it back down. And our hero returns safely from his solo flight. Watch as he pulls in and lands at the Av Center. Giving us a good full frontal view of his hovering. Setting it down. He's safe, we made it. Standing here with Byron Brainard, who just completed his first solo flight. Let us know how you feel now.
I just want to go back up by myself again. Like, it went so fast, and once I got up there I realized that there wasn't really anything to be nervous about. I was a little sketched out for the first pickup, but then I got the hang of it. Now I'm hooked. I'm hooked again.
Rehooked him. That's how we get you. Alright, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.